Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Canon printer drivers in Windows 10 or Windows 11, the full setup guide. This video tutorial is applicable to pretty much all the Canon printers. These Canon printers, the first one is Canon Pixma MG2450, and the second one on the bottom is Canon Pixma TR4755i. You can use Google, Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. I'm going to go to Google Chrome, then search Canon support in your region, then select Canon support. I'm in United Kingdom, then select customer product support, select on it. Then you can type the product name. Let's say this printer is Canon Pixma, so you select Pixma. So any Canon product you want to use. So you can see Pixma, iSense, Maxify, or Scanner. So select Pixma. These printers are Pixma products, so select Pixma. And when you select Pixma, then you scroll down, you select specific series from the list below. So these printers are Pixma. This is MG series. Another one is TS series. We select MG series. Select on MG series. Then it will show you products models available. So you need to select from the list. So look from the list and also from the printer. If you still have your printer, you need to look for number of the printer on the printer top or on the body. You can see it from the front or on top of the printer where it's written the printer model. So we need to look for MG2450 from the list. This is the printer MG2450. Select on it and it will show you the printer image. This is the printer, Canon Pixma MG2450 series. Download driver and software, fireware and manual, and get access to troubleshooting. Then you scroll down and also you select operating system. This is Windows 11. If you are using Mac, it will pick up the operating system of your laptop. So my laptop is, or PC is Windows 11. Then scroll down and it will show you recommended for you MG2400 full driver and software package. And if you want to check more details, you select more details. If you select more details, it will show you this file will download and install the drivers, application or manual you need to set up the full functionality of your product. So you select download, then select download. It's downloaded. You can also go to File Explorer. If you select File Explorer, then you go to downloads. This is the file downloaded. It will show you the date and time. Double click the file to open. Then it will show you Canon IJ Online Master Setup. Then you select yes. And it will show you this software downloading. Then it will show you Pixma MG2400 series. Add software processing. Please wait. Then you select your residency. I'm in United Kingdom, Europe. Then you select next. Then select your country. Select your place of residence. United Kingdom selected, then select next. So it will give you option for you to select software installation list. So it will show you MP drivers, user manual, my printers, image guiding, quick menu, easy web print, EX, XP driver. Let's say if you want to install the driver only, or my image guiding. With this printer, I usually like to install the drivers and my image guiding. Then you select next. Licensing agreement, then select yes. Please allow all install wizard process, then select next. So it's downloading MP driver. Will show you the time remaining, approximately 1 minute. Then also show you the progress. MP driver, about 6 minutes remaining until completion. So you can select specific driver or the full setup. So about 50% progress, about 3 minutes until completion. Or another thing I want to show you is also, if you don't go to File Explorer, you can also select the file on top. It will show you the file you downloaded, then just double click it to open. This is another method. So my image guard is installing. Will show you printer connection. Select USB cable, and also will show you print alignment. If you like, I'm going to skip print alignment. Click next. It will show you setup complete. Product is ready. Click next. Then select next. Registration, going to skip registration. Extended survey, do not agree. Installation complete successfully. What that means is this printer is connected via a USB cable. So it picked up the USB cable connection. Then you select exit. So this is the quick menu for this printer, how to download and install Canon printer driver on your PC. Thank you very much indeed.